ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः, भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः, स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः।
You mentioned an accomplished yogi. Who is a yogi, sir, according to you?
स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः, स्वस्ति नः पूषा। Lord Krishna is telling, detachment doesn't mean that don't take the coffee or tea, but don't depend on the coffee or tea.
And you mentioned one word called realized person.
Huh.
What is realized person, sir, according to
See,
you?
body and mind is constantly changing. At one time, no matter how good in yoga you are, your body is going to die.
Krishna is there to kind of take care of you when you are on the right path.
I got US citizenship, which took me to 19 countries to teach yoga.
You, IIT Kharagpur, science, technology guy, all this happening, going to New Zealand, many countries. How did Sanskrit and yoga came into your life, sir?
After that, I left India and then I am now US citizen.
Why is Sanskrit very important in one's life? Is it important or should we ignore it?
See, I was called once to make a syllabus of Maharashtra state government. They want to do master's degree and PhD in yoga.
Sir, Srimantha, we believe in being adaptive. Adaptive in the sense, if you want to be happy, if you want to be successful, we believe that you have to be adaptive.
There are today many people, including 6-year-old or 8-year-old in South India. They have memorized the entire Bhagavad Gita, sir. 700 verses, not a joke.